Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be eating old food, I guess. So there's this thing online I saw, it's called Too Good to Go, and these restaurants, what they'll do is they'll take their food that they have that they don't sell. You could pre-order it for a discounted rate. So we just got a surprise bag of some pizza at this pizza place or some of their goodies. It was $18 value for $5.99. So we're gonna pick that up tonight at 7:30. And so I'll see you then. What's up guys? So it's been about 4 or 5 hours and we're going on our way to Santa Maria right now to pick up this pizza called Ricky's House of Pizza. I've never heard of it, never tried it. We're gonna try it today and we're gonna see how good it is. But yeah, so this app, what it is, it's Too Good to Go, and how it works is they have this leftover food. You could order it, and then instead of throwing away the food at the end of the day, they take it and they'll sell it to people at discounted pricing. Okay guys, so we just pulled up a few minutes early, and as you can see, the place looks a little shabby. There's nobody there. I could see why maybe they have some leftovers. So I don't know, hopefully it's a diamond in the rough. We'll find out. And the crazy thing is these bags are huge. Check that out. Okay, so we just made it back home and let's see what we got. So it looks like we got a 6-pack of baguettes. Looks like they might be homemade. So that's pretty cool. We got a thing of macaroni salad. Looks a little mayonnaise-y. I don't know, we'll try that out in a minute. We got another thing of macaroni salad with the different style noodles. Got another thing of macaroni. So we got 3 different macaronis, a 6-pack of bread, and we got a baked thing that needs to be baked, it looks like. And oh, it looks like it's some rolls with bacon and cheese inside of them and jalapenos. Looks like it's gonna be some breadsticks. And then we got another thing with some cheese and some breadsticks. So we'll throw those in the oven and we'll try those in a minute. Well, let's check this out. I think it's overall a pretty good deal though for $5.99. Okay, let's try this macaroni salad. Got some olives, cheese, salami, broccoli, tomatoes, carrots. Pretty good. A little mayonnaise-y.
No, I'm just kidding. No.
What's up, baby? Yeah, my girl, she's got to have her pretty face on right now. Come on, Fiona, how does it taste?
I can't with my face open. It's hard.
What do you think? Ooh, look at that. Okay, it's about 20 minutes later, cooked to perfection. Got all them little crispy bits on there. All right, let's try this out. Pretty good. No pizza doughy. It's not super flavorful. It's not bad though. Pretty good. Let's try one of these other bad boys. Yeah, so these are garlic knots. There's like a bunch of garlic. You can see it's like falling out. These are really good. Okay, well, that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it's about 9:30 right now, and we got 2 spots that we're gonna go grab this morning. Go pick up some leftovers. Kind of excited. They're both surprise bags, so we're gonna be able to see what they are. One of them is from like a cookie spot. It's a baking company, but the picture has cookies on it, so I'm not sure how good that's gonna be for breakfast, but they might have some scones or something. And then after that, we're going to a legit spot that serves breakfast. So let's go check it out. Sweet, so I just picked it up from downtown Slow. The place is really nice in there. It smelled amazing. Okay, well, these chocolate chip ones that are stuck together, they look really good. See that? Super soft. Breaks really nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. Has a lot of flavor for just a chocolate chip cookie. Let's try this one. Super soft for day-old cookies. These are better than cookies that you get that are fresh. This is the ginger snap one, I believe. If you look at it, it's got like fresh herbs and stuff in there. Let's try this chocolate one. That one sucks. That one's really dry. And then we'll try the sugar cookie. Nice and soft. Oh, that was good. All those are really good. So that was $5.99. It was supposed to be $20 worth of food. I don't know. 8 cookies for $20 that are day-old cookies that are used. I don't know if that's that great of a deal. But the place was super hipster and it looked really fancy. And so I can imagine these cookies being like $5 a piece. This one kind of breaks, but it doesn't kind of split, so it's a little bit more drier. I'm not a fan of that one, but all the rest are top notch. Some Final Destination shit right there. That's crazy. Yeah. So we just arrived. We're by like a tractor warehouse. It looks like a nice little industrial area. I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay, so I just got this thing. We will see how it works. Okay, so this was the most expensive one that we've paid for so far. I just got it and it was actually just this one juice. It's a glass container. It's kind of cool. The neighborhood juice bar. It's organic, raw, cold pressed juice. But I mean, for over $20 is what it was saying this thing is worth. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up online and see how much they're actually worth. It's got almonds, turmeric, dates, coconut nectar, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, and essential oils. Guess let's try it. See if this is worth a $25 old. Oh wow. Huh. It's got a lot of flavors. Tastes like almost like dirty, like kind of earthy, like how like a root vegetable would taste.
It's called golden milk.
Yeah, it's kind of milky and creamy.
Yeah.
I think I got scammed on that one, so I guess you can't win them all, but hopefully we have some better stuff. You want to try it?
It's a nut milk, that's what it is. It's not a juice. On their website it says it's a nut milk.
How much does it say it is on their website?
I like it.
You like it? Okay, so that's cool. We got cookies for breakfast.
$8, I don't know.
And we got a juice. Oh, it's, yeah, she gave away the price. $8, but it's worth $25 worth of stuff. That's what it was supposed to be. So I was expecting like
have a price on
an acai bowl or some other stuff, and it was like kind of dead. So we shall see it. We're back on the road again, and we're going to this place. It's called Mint and Craft. It's like a high-end tapas place, and I don't know, I've never tried it before. It's expensive, so I haven't gone, but we're gonna try it out. I guess they have like a bakery and coffee and stuff like that too, and on the item when you book it, it says that you're gonna get some type of pastries or stuff like that. What's up guys? So I just got done with that place. They made me a coffee and I thought that was pretty cool. This is a cold brew I just got. but their coffees were from $4 to $7. So I'm pretty hungry. Let's check this out. We're doing a hood review. So we got a loaf of bread, fresh sourdough, nice crisp to it. We got a thing of Snaps ginger cookies. And we got 2 biscuits. Let's try a biscuit. Pretty good. Okay. Really dry. Let me get in the car. Let me try some of the cold brew that they made me. But they had other drinks, matchas, all kinds. Ranged up to $7, $8 for a drink. So I think it's pretty good. Ugh, cold brew. Strong. Let's try their bread. What would you expect? It's dry. It's sourdough bread. I mean, maybe if it was heated up a little bit, had some butter or something, maybe some jam, honey, anything, it'd be good. It'll be good later. But yeah, that one was only $3.99. I think that was the best deal we got so far. Let's check out these ginger snaps. These are just like, I don't know if they're old. They were just on their counter there, and he just went and grabbed them and threw them in, just from a store. So lots of cookies. You guys want to do this? Lots of cookies in the diet, but super hard. Jen don't like those. Not really a big fan of really hard cookies, but Jen likes them. Good traditional ginger snap. It's not bad. Okay, so we just made it to Benjamin Franklin's. This place has been around forever. I've been here many times when I was younger with my dad. So check it out. This is the place right here. Let's do another hood review, see what we got. We got 3 corn dogs, a bunch of jalapeno poppers. I'm gonna try one of those right now. Nice and hot. Bunch of potato wedges. Nice. We got a good meal. This was $5.99. Hey, I think it's pretty good. What's up, guys? We're back in the car now. It's really hot outside, so I wanted to get some AC on to finish this review. Try the tater tots. It tastes like anything you would get from Vaughn's or a grocery store. Jalapeno poppers, though, fire. Super good. Corn dogs look a little crispy. Look like they've been sitting for a while. A little wrinkly. This one looks a little better, a little fresher. Let's try this one. Definitely been sitting for a while. Not bad. Had some mustard and ketchup. Way better. Okay, it's getting dark now. We're doing our last one. It's been 23 hours. We're going to our last place. And this place, it's the only place that's 4.9 stars out of 5 stars because you can rate it on this app. Okay, so we just made it back home. We got the final one. This is from Pizza Republic. It's a 5-star rated place. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some nice macaroni and cheese, and this one's actually really hot. It's got broccoli in it. Let's try that. We got another box. Let's see what's in here. We got 2 things. Ooh, we got some fresh pizza. We got a nice, looks like a mozzarella or with the tomatoes. Ooh, and then we got a nice chicken, bacon, green onions. This one looks good. Let's try that one. This is old or leftover. It tastes really fresh, but pizza always tastes good. But this one has so many flavors. It's really good. It's like a real Italian pizza. Got like a little barbecue sauce in there too. Really good. Cilantro. Yeah, try the macaroni and cheese. Not a big fan of macaroni and cheese, but let's see what we got. Let's get a little broccoli. Let's see what we got. Okay. It's definitely homemade. It's a good one. Really cheesy. It's not bad. I'll go back for another bite. It's pretty good. Alright, well, that was it. So, if you like this, you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. Throw it in a comment. It helps with the algorithm. It doesn't cost you guys anything. And it'll boost the channel. So, let's see what we save. So, for doing this and saving food, we saved 40 pounds of CO2 and we saved $82. So, hey, I think it's pretty cool. It's a cool experience. You don't know what you're getting. And I think we're going to probably try it again when we go on vacation and see how it works. Well, have a good day.